I just wanted to show you how to use some of the basics of Google Drive. This would be good for yourself so that you can become familiar with it, and you can also use it to show your students how to use Google Drive. I'm going to be switching back and forth between the presentation and my computer just to show you some things, so bear with me. So the first thing you have to do is log in. The best way to do that, you can go to Google and just search for Google Drive, and then you're going to click on it and you're going to sign in. To sign in, this is going to be your Gmail email address along with your password. Now, you'll know that you will be signed in because you're going to see your picture up at the top. So like, let me move my screen over. Here, you can see this has the picture of me, and it's got my Google account, amrollletter@mail.fhsu. So I know that currently I'm logged into my Fort Hays account for my Google Drive. So if you want to create a document, in the left-hand corner, you're going to see this button that says New. So you'll click on New, and then you're going to select what you want to create. Google Docs would be similar to Microsoft Word. Google Sheets would be similar to Excel. Google Slides would be similar to PowerPoint. So then you'll just open that up and create it. In the top left of a new document, it's going to say Untitled Document. That's where you can change the name of the document. So there you're going to rename it whatever it is that you want. The great thing about Google Drive is that your documents will save automatically, so you don't really have to worry about clicking the save button a whole bunch or worry about losing any data that you've entered. And you can access your Google Drive from anywhere. I just want to see. So like right here, you'll see that I named this document How to Use Google Drive. And this is where it would start off by saying Untitled. So when you have created your document, you're able to share it. And that's usually how you get it to other people, how you can get it to your teacher. You can share it with other people so that they can view it. For example, I made a Google presentation that I had to share with someone to get some pictures to them. And that's how I did it. I just sent him the link. So you're going to share a document, you'll click File and then Share. And then at the bottom, you'll see that it says Copy Link. All you have to do is copy and paste that wherever you want it to go. If you're sending the link in an email, you can do that. If you're submitting your assignment in Google Classroom, you just can paste the link in the Google Classroom and it'll just show up there. You're also able to type in somebody's email address and share it with them that way. And then just click Done. Maybe. And that's kind of the basics of how to use Google Drive. It's really simple. What's great about it is that you can share it with everybody and how easy it is to access it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to come find me or shoot me an email or whatever it is, and I'd be happy to help.